Hello and welcome. My name is Kamini. I'm going to give you the tarot reading for the month of June 2020. This is going to be primarily for your love reading, and this is primarily it is about whether you will be committed in the month of June in terms of marriage. So I'm going to start with the reading. If you've chosen pile number 1 and this is pile number 2, if you've chosen this pile, I'm going to start with the first one. Let me see what it is. In the month of June, yes, you will get married in the month of June if you've chosen pile number 1, or you will be very positive to get married. If you do get married, if you want to get married, June will be a good month for you, very bright month. The second card I see is, yes, you might go for a court marriage because I see a contract card, so it looks like you are going to go for a court marriage, something legally. You'll go to a legal place where you will get married there. The third card that's coming is the emotional health card. What do I see in this? I'm patient with my needs, kind with my words, respectful of my soft places. So yes, you will be very patient also. You will also be very respectful, kind. And lastly, what your partner thinks, he or she thinks that yes, everything is fine, we can go ahead. He or she is very peaceful. They know that yes, you are the one for them, and they might just say yes in the month of June, or they might go ahead with marriage in the month of June. So very good month for you in terms of, if you want to get committed, things would be very smooth for you. Now group number 2 or pile number 2, this is your this is what you've chosen. I will see what cards have come for you in the month of June. I see that you get the Chariot card. Now Chariot means a very smooth energy. It's something like a Cancerian energy, very smooth. And yes, if you are planning a June wedding, it will definitely happen if you want to. And it looks the energies are with you. Okay. Apart from that, let me put this here, okay, so that you can see it properly. So yes, you will be able to marry in the month of June if you decide, of course, that you want to go ahead. You have the person with you. Yes, your another energy is door to personal healing and happiness. You might be thinking about what will lie ahead, and you're already planning ahead also, like this. You can see a card where it is so happy outside, and you feel that you have the personal healing and happiness in your life. So yes, this card also symbolizes that you will be happy whatever is coming next for you. Your physical health is showing me that you have this energy. My body heals itself with every breath I take, so you will be quite energetic and happy to go ahead with any kind of commitment that you see in the month of June. And lastly, what I see, this card is a card of compatibility. What your partner thinks is, yes, I'm with somebody he feels compatible with, or she feels compatible with, or they feel compatible with, and they might just say yes, yes, let us go ahead and let us get married. So with this card only I understood that yes, this also union must it can happen in the month of June. So if you're planning to get married, if you are with somebody right now, a June wedding can happen if you want to. And this card is showing a lot of positivity in the month of June. So if this reading has resonated with you in any way, you can give me a thumbs up, you can subscribe to my channel, and you can leave a comment with any suggestion that you want to give. Till then, thank you so much and take care.